Hey everybody, it's 123 Mr. B here on a Breaking Math program. We are going to look at breakdown doubling shortcuts. So I'm going to learn how to double these numbers really quickly and fast without having to do much math. It's more mental math and breaking things down. So here's my number here. First things first, I'm looking at each digit. I can just simply double each digit. I can scoop them up individually, or I could look at them all together. Now coming here, I know that if I double 6, I'm going to have a 2-digit number. So I'm going to move to look at both digits at the same time. I know I'm going to get a 92 out of that. I know that because 45 and 45 is 90. So this is something I know off by heart. So if I add 1 and I add 1, I get an adding of 2. Easy. So I know that 92 is going to be the double there. And of course this is a 4. Alrighty. Now 9, if I double that, I'm going to get a double digit. So instead I'm going to look at 49. I know that's 98. Same idea. I know that 50 plus 50 is 100. So if I take away 1 and I take away 1, I get a takeaway of 2. And what's that? 49 plus 49, which is 98. A little bit of thinking there. So I've got 9, 8, and a 4 there. Okay. And now I'm going to have to see what I can do here. Okay, 100 plus 100 is 200. 99 plus 99 is 198. So 98 plus 98 is going to be 196. Double that, that's 8. And so forth and so forth. I could keep going like that. So 196, that's 200 minus 4. And 200 minus 4. So I add those together. That's 400 minus 8. So that's 392. So that's 392, and oh, then I got to do this. Okay, so at this stage here, it's looking like I'd have to just do the breakdown of the long way, which is no problem. But at least I know I have shortcuts in many cases here. Let's try another question here. So this one here, double this one. I'll try doubling it 4 times. Looking off the bat, every single thing here can be doubled individually or as a big package here. So I'm going to keep doubling these here. There's a 4. I could double that to get 96. I could double that to get 12. Okay. Now what here? I could double this to be an 8. 296 I'm going to take together here. Okay, so 296 is 300 minus 4. So if I add those together, I get 600 minus 8, which is 592. Poof. 592, and that's a 1. I can double that and get a 56, a 59. How about a 159? I'm going to double. Okay, so 150 plus 9 and 150 plus 9. That's 300 plus 18. Piece of cake. 318. See if I can keep going here. 856. 6. If I double that, or double that, it's all going to be double-digit stuff. So it looks like I'll be doubling 856 or 1856 actually. No, let's see here. 1800 plus 50 plus 6. So here I'm stretching it out now. I'm going to have 3600 plus 100 plus 12. So 3712, 37112, and this will be doubled up to 6. And hey, now this one's going to be easy. That becomes 24. This becomes 74, and this becomes 12, and on and on and on. So this times 2, this times 4, this times 8, this times 16, this times 32, this times 64. Like, look at all that crazy math we could do just off the hop, just by knowing how to double our numbers. I think I got another example here for you. We'll just try this one 4 times. Okay, 64, 32, 0. Just took it all at once there. I love it when they're below 5 because then I can just double them straight up. 8640, and this is a 12. And let's see, doubling 40 gives me 80. Doubling 286, oh yikes. So 300 minus 14, 300 minus 14. That's 600 minus 28, that's minus 28. So I know that 600 minus 25 is 675, so we're looking at 575. So we're looking at 572 here as the complement there. 572, and doubling that is a 2, and on and on and on. Double that becomes a 0. Double that becomes a 56. Double 257, again, 250 plus 7. Double that is 500. Double that is 14, so 514. And we keep going on and on. So this times 2, this times 4, this times 8, this times 16. And what the heck, one more, just because. Why not? Big one here, we'll just do it a couple times here. Double that, 50. Double that, 32. Double that, 24. Okay, now what? Double that, 0. Double that, 50. Double that, 86. Double that, 4. Okie doke. Let's see. Oh, now it's looking like I have to do something much larger here. So I'm going to have to double that. But anyway, you see what I mean here. We can just do these little scoop tricks whenever we can. This times 2, this times 4, and on and on. So we get our 2, 4, our 8, our 16, and our 32, and so forth. Our times tables with this stuff is basically wrapped up. So that's why learning how to double stuff is really good. It'll save you lots of time in the meantime.